Good morning, everybody. Jake here. Quick garden tour. We got some potatoes. Just my idea of keeping the garden cleaner, no weeds. Of course, I got to come back and hoe, manually remove all the grass out of there. Purple hull peas. You can see how the grass grows up there against them. This little row of onions. Bean plants didn't come up too good down there. Bell pepper, jalapeno peppers. Like the bells are starting. Tomato plants got lots of blooms. Little tomatoes, nothing ready yet. Here's zucchinis. More little tater plants. This is pretty much what it looks like if I don't, run the tiller. Lots of blooms, no zucchinis. A couple of zucchinis in there. I'll come back and pick this today. There's a zucchini down there, a little one. A couple of little ones in there. Lots of blooms. Bells. More bells. Bells. Oh yeah. Tomatoes. Lots of blooms. There's some little tomatoes down in there. They're just not ready. Squashes down in there, they're ready. Lots of little squashes. More squashes ready. You can see those. They're getting ready. More squashes. Oh yeah, there's lots of squash ready. Went around the watermelon patch. Lots of cucumber bloom. No cucumbers yet. As many blooms as are in there, there's going to be a bazillion of them, hopefully. Little bells. Oh yeah, those need to come on off. Bells. Bananas. Jalapenos. Yeah, those jalapenos are ready. Just got lots of weeding to do. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Grow on. You're gonna need it.